What up, what up, what up? It's fleetv. We on the way to Rolling Loud. We about to link up with Uzi. See this crazy performance, see what the vibe is. Rock out, rage out, rockstar shit. Niggas trying to get us. Not today, buddy. Say what up, Mateo. Yeah. Yeah. This nigga tight, man. Why you tight, man? Put a smile on your face, my guy. You feel me? Big diamonds and all that. Niggas just went shopping and shit. But yeah, stay tuned, baby. Miami! Good vintage. Quality hot sauce. Oh no, I need that.
That's a good color. That fucking cream with the green.
Oh. Good morning from fleetv, man. We got a deadly 2K match going on. My boy had Day versus Twin. $2,000, y'all. Who y'all got? A Day or Twin? What happened to you, lost?
You talking to this twin?
Oh man, 2K for 2K is crazy.
Yeah, you looking for something else? You looking for 3 of them, nigga? Fuck is you saying? Y'all niggas crazy. Think this nigga fuck with me, nigga? He don't like it, it's a friend. He don't like it, it's a friend. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? That's how I Pressure bust pipe. Pressure will break a diamond, nigga. Pressure will break a fucking diamond.
I don't know, man.
I ain't gonna let it get that far. I'm gonna take off on this nigga ass right now, so when the next quarter comes, he ain't got nothing to do. Give me that fucking ball, nigga.
Kanye West done sent Big Bro a brand new Maybach. Interior clean, all that. How I feel, my brother? Big blessings, right? Yes, sir. Yeah, you see AR here. Shit, know you kidding. Brisk Molly Mall.
Come on, nigga, you know. Bunch of these.
Bunch of those. Jeez. Skyami.
Over the crack house. A bad little bitch walk around with her ass out. Me and bro waiting for the cash out. The bitch stack roll up and pass out. I keep smoking Zaza. I made one call, got hit in his mata. I be ducking hot dogs. Spanish bitch, she call me Papa.
Skyami with my twin.
That pussy burn, we call it hot dog. Shorty can't get nada.
Come clean. What time is it? It's 1 a.m. And look how we really like. We really about to fuck this shit up. Like, yes, sir. Eat with your people, man. Eat with your people.
Don't compete.
Don't compete.